Good evening and welcome to this very special edition of Your Call. It's the festive season and look what Santa Claus brought us this year. Shahrukh, have you been a good boy this year? Because Santa Claus has brought you for the audience, but what are you asking Santa Claus for?
Santa Claus only brings bad boys to good girls. So I have this year decided to be really, really bad. And yeah, Santa's got me a lot of fun and action and jumping around and driving fast cars. All the male fantasies have come true for me this year.
Priyanka, the badder the boy, the gooder the girl?
Always.
He's talking about male fantasies. What about female fantasies?
Oh, they came alive too. Definitely.
I am a female fantasy, darling.
Oh, sadly, you said male and female. That worries me, Shahrukh.
It's okay, na? We want more audiences. And we don't have any.
Everyone.
We don't have any gender bias. And as a lady, you should agree to that.
Completely.
Absolutely.
Completely. Well, they say comparisons are odious. Imitation is the best form of flattery. Forget the cliches. Let's just look at some of the dons Shahrukh has to live up to in Don 2.
Don.
Put your hands up.
डॉन का इंतजार तो 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस कर रही है।
डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं है, नामुमकिन है।
You're really the male fantasy, Shahrukh.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
No, but seriously, forget about living up to Amitabh Bachchan. Now you've got to live up to yourself in Don. How do you go better in Don 2?
You know, actually, according to me, better is the undoer of good. I thought I've done good as Don. I don't think we tried to outdo Mr. Bachchan or Mr. Barot's Don. Farhan, myself, all of us actually here, great fans of that film. And we thought, you know, to bring it to the younger generation, allow them to see it once. And I think we kind of did it well. We didn't belittle the importance of the original film. But having done that, we also came to the realization that the last 5-7 minutes of the bad Don, when he says, Jungli Billi, is kind of like. So we say, okay, if they can like a bad guy winning, let's make a whole film about a bad guy with nothing held back. And he's leaner, meaner, sexier, faster, smarter. He's got better cars, the most beautiful girl you can think of.
Are you leaner, meaner, sexier, fitter? Are you getting the better of him in this one?
Well, that's for you to find out.
But
I can't tell you that.
She does kick my butt in this one a couple of times. I like that, kinky.
What's it like being co-star to Shah Rukh Khan?
As you can tell, you can't ever get a word in edgeways. But being a co-actor with him is incredible because I think now saying all this in front of him is really embarrassing.
I can stand behind you. I can.
No.
Go on. Now nobody knows.
But I think he's an institution in himself when it comes to talent.
Mental institution.
And creativity.
Let us finish this off.
No,
everything that he's saying, okay, please say, please
I
praise
never
me.
say nice things about him.
Please praise
so
me.
now when I'm going to say nice things about him, he's not taking it seriously.
No, I get very embarrassed.
I'm not saying anything nice.
Okay, say nice.
No,
okay,
no.
we'll keep quiet now.
He's terrible to work with. He does not... No, please let me tell you the truth, okay? He only talks. He is always trying to tell people what to do. And when he comes on set, he doesn't eat, he has too much energy, he works for some 35 hours, so everybody has to keep up with that, so that's the truth.
Oh, Ritesh, Don 2, tell me about it and why you guys first took on, we know why you took on Don, but now Don 2, do sequels really work? How do you keep bettering expectations?
You know, actually, I don't think the right word is we took on Don. We were just, all of us, like Shahrukh said, Farhan, me, him, Priyanka, everybody, it was kind of a tribute to that Don. We always say that is, but we just thought maybe that could have been remade in today's time, with the resources we have today. The plot could adapt itself to be made in today's date and time. So Farhan went and did that. He did a very important change, which is he kept the villain alive. So, and in its true sense, this was Don. That movie could have been Vijay, actually, because this Don survives. And I think everybody, accepted this character. we were not ever planning to make a sequel. But I think everybody, after I think almost few months of watching it, started writing in their own versions of Don 2, what would it be if they wanted more of the character. So I think that's when Farhan decided that, let me just give it a go, and if people really want to see Don that much. And I think he got excited with the story he wrote, and what, the character was doing, how he was taking. And I think it's interesting because you're retaining the old characters who know now that he's Don, and he's fooled Roma, made her fall in love with him, put Baman in jail, and all that. Plus there are 3 or 4 new characters introduced. So I think it's interesting to see how this sequel with a bad guy is going to go ahead.
Shah Rukh, first, are the dark glasses going to stay on?
Yeah, unless you want me to look deep in your eyes.
Don't look.
No, I want to look deep into your eyes. I'm worried you won't get your
Actually,
shot.
my dialogue is for you.
I'm worried you won't get your shot.
No, isn't it Don का इंतजार तो 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस कर रही है सोनिया.
Thank you. But your glasses.
डॉन की ग्लासेस उतारने का इंतजार तो सारी दुनिया कर रही है सोनिया. लेकिन डॉन ये ग्लासेस सिर्फ तुम्हारे लिए उतारेगा. Should I take off my coat also and the rest of my clothes?
The rest you can keep on.
Is it that kind of show?
Are the boys
It's a family
saying
channel.
yes? The boys just said yes? Wow.
But tell me, because after Ra.One, is it fun being bad in this movie? Have you done all the moralizing, beating up the bad guys? Now you're the bad guy again. How do you
I'll be
keep
very
switching?
honest. I've never liked good guys. I come from theatre, from a background where we played characters or
I've never liked
protagonists.
good guys too.
Okay, so
Wanted to bring
so
that.
I do whatever girls like. So I find it. I mean, even initially when I started working, I didn't want to do this college-going kid who was really nice and Ma, मैं first आया हूँ, Ma, मुझे नौकरी मिल गई है. And I tried to avoid it, so I did films like Dar and then Bazigar and stuff. And then somewhere along the line, it all just fell apart, and I did Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge.
And I won't take the girl away without her parents
Yeah,
saying yes.
and he wouldn't even slap, nothing. It's like कि आप जैसा बोलेंगे, बाबूजी सही कहते हैं, बाबूजी सही कहते हैं. बाबूजी की ऐसी की तैसी देखा ना भाई. बाबूजी सही कहते हैं, बाबूजी सही कहते हैं. तो क्या हुआ अगर मुझे तुमसे प्यार है? तो क्या हुआ अगर मैं तुम्हारे बाबूजी सही कहते हैं? बाबूजी ने शादी की. तो मुझे 9 मिनट तक मैं बोलता रहता हूँ बाबूजी सही कहते हैं. और फिर बाबूजी लड़की देते हैं तो मैं लेके जाता हूँ, नहीं तो नहीं जाता हूँ. So I don't know. I really find.
Sweet one. We like that.
I mean, even
Roma,
I found.
stop it.
Okay, sorry.
Even we found Babuji very sweet. But I just feel that, whatever you're not at times, and which is evil, most of us are really attracted to it. I find this whole idea of evil being mesmerizing, evil being, like Satan, Silence of the Lambs, and, Kaa from Jungle Book. And I get really intrigued by it. And I think I like doing it. I find it, there's an inert something inside me which is wanting to come out, which is mean. And when I do Don, I play him like that. It's little androgynous, little mesmerizing, little... I don't know. I have no moral justification for the character. There's no redemption for him. I just think it's a story, and if you can play it really bad, it's quite cool. And so while I was shooting Jeevan and Ra.One and everything, I was making Don together at that point of time. I finished a part of Ra.One, went down for 3 months to finish Don. I really enjoyed it. And it's very amazing, it's quite schizophrenic for me to play this really good guy, who's spooing
The
only
ultimate good guy and the ultimate
bad guy. So yeah, it was
All
quite...
at the same time.
Yeah, so I'm like little retarded right now. Sorry, I'm little... How do you say it? Confused right now.
Schizophrenic.
Yeah,
Well,
retarded is not the word to use.
I have one of the best villains of all time to ask you questions. Let's just play Prem Chopra, who has this question to ask you.
And I'm a huge fan of yours. So my question to you is, how do you feel getting into my shoes? And which aspect of villainy you enjoyed the most? Teasing the girl, beating the hero, or being beaten by the hero? All the best for your picture, and God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And of course, one of the greatest actors we've ever had. मुझे उनकी अभी भी लाइन याद है कि प्यार से लोग मुझे कहते हैं प्रेम चोपड़ा. Amazingly sleazy and fantastic. And his greatest moments in cinema have always been कि जब भी हीरो इनको मारने लगता था ये माफी मांग ले, मुझे माफ कर दो, मुझे छोड़ दे बेटा, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. And then as soon as the hero turned around, he pitched So I really love him. I've worked with him in Badshah. Had a great time outdoors with him in Hyderabad. And the aspect that I like, I can never fill in his shoes. I think very few actors may have been able to, but not at least in my generation or myself. But I truly believe the part that I like is, yeah, teasing the girl. I like that, yeah. I like that. It's good because in this film also I have the plus point that there is no hero to beat me up. So I don't get beaten up. I beat up all the good guys and I tease the girls. So yeah, I like that part. You know, otherwise, मेरी movies में मैं हमेशा मेरी आँखों में देखो और मेरे और करीब आओ. मैं तुमसे बहुत प्यार करता हूँ. मैं तुम्हारे बिना जी नहीं सकता. यहाँ पर है कि मुझे जंगली बिल्लियाँ बहुत पसंद हैं. So I like that.
Shah Rukh is a hero and Shah Rukh is a villain. How do you prefer him? Because there are a lot of people, I mean, even here who say that, you know, Shah Rukh is a romantic hero, is the ultimate. Which one do you prefer?
I think he makes bad look really good. So I prefer him as bad.
Okay.
Definitely.
And she's yet to do a film with me as a hero, actually.
Yeah, I've never done a
I've not
romantic
done a good
movie
guy with her yet.
Really?
I've done Don, both the Dons with him.
When are you going to do
bad
romantic
guy.
movies again?
I'm starting one now in Jan.
Okay.
But yeah, I mean, whenever I get a chance, you know, you have to be called upon to do a film. Otherwise, I was like really wanting to do some action films. Now I'm a little tired. Now I want to hug pretty girls, sing songs, and say nice things.
In Switzerland. Okay, we're going to open this up for some audience questions. So who would like to ask? Go ahead. I'm going to get, go ahead with your question.
I just wanted to ask that Don, the first part, got a lot of criticism from people when they compare it to Amitabh Bachchan's Don. So are you expecting the same for the second part? But there's nothing to compare it to, but still, are you expecting some criticism again?
Yeah, and I'm so used to criticism. Even if there's no comparison to anything, they'll criticize it. No, I don't think so. You know what, the whole idea was, yeah, our Don was a little different because Don won. And I always believe that classics should be classics left alone. I truly believe that. But you know, there are certain films, like I've even done Devdas, and you know, and of course there is no thought in our heads that we will be able to outdo that Devdas or be better than Dilip Saab. It's blasphemous to think like that, or Amit Ji. But you also feel these films need to be introduced as part of cinematic culture to the younger people. And we did it with that ideology and never thought that we'd be better than Mr. Bachchan. So of course when people say, you are not as good as Mr. Bachchan, we already know that. As far as this film is concerned, it's more linear. It's a film that has more freedom for the writer-director Farhan Akhtar, for all of us actually, because now it's kinda our story. So really any comparison would be unfounded. It's not right to compare it. But if they do and compare it to some film, I'm okay by it. I think the film will stand the test of audiences liking on its own and move forward. Maria.
Thank you. Can I come and hug you, Shah Rukh?
Absolutely.
I love you.
Yeah, that's it. That is the main thing. Nothing else matters.
Thank you.
See, at least I got a girl to hug me first,
Yes,
so I'm in the
exactly.
clear now.
That's why I let her ask the question first. Anyone else? Go ahead.
Your favorite experience at Hansra's College?
You're a Delhi
Are
boy.
you from Hansra's?
No, Venki.
Okay, just checking.
Yeah, I was, and it's not a nice thing to do. This is a young people's show and young people are watching. But it's not a nice thing to do. I think ragging should be banned. But, you know, some sort of give and take happens when a newcomer goes into a college. And I remember I was picked up by these set of boys from Bihar, from Priyanka's town. And,
Bareilly,
and,
UP.
yeah. So,
UP
nahi,
and
to
Bihar.
UP
I'm
and
born in Bihar, brought up in UP.
Okay.
बहुत
Best of the country.
इसलिए मिस वर्ल्ड बन गई है.
You can be Bihar's brand ambassador now.
Yeah, Jharkhand.
Okay, sorry.
Quickly,
Go ahead.
you're giving options to make money while we're on a
Sorry, go
social
ahead.
message giving.
I would never charge
Go
money
ahead with
to
your
be brand
social
ambassador
message.
of
Yeah.
my state.
That bad is good.
The
Go
bad is
ahead.
good, yeah, okay. So I was kind of teased by these guys from Bihar who were in the hostel and I mean, I did everything they told me to, you know, push the coin with the nose and dance like a girl, everything I did. And then they took me to their room and then they took a matchstick and said, kind of, you know, you have to put it in one of the orifice, which I wasn't very happy doing. So I said, you know, I got very angry. मैं भी दिल्ली वाला हूँ तो मैं नहीं लगाऊंगा यहाँ पे ना. तो नहीं ये तो डालना ही पड़ेगा जी. नहीं डालेंगे तो फिर तो देखेगा. I'm not at all. I'll do it in a more classy way. Sounds more like Gulshan Grover. Huh? Gulshan's English accent in Bihari is actually. So they kind of got very angry with me, and I was going into the assembly the next day, and these guys came with a little knife, and they all stood. Hi, idhar aaye ji. Yahan pe aao. So I was standing, and I got so scared when he took out the knife. I wanted to run actually, and this is God's honest truth. I wasn't being macho. I wanted to run. This guy covered my way, the dada, the gunda, and he got pushed, and there was a wall behind him, and he fell doing a double somersault. And all the other guys said, "Arre, mariega mat ji," and I became the hero overnight in the college. So for me, after that, the Don walk that you see in film now, in Don 2, is actually वो दिन था आज का दिन. मैं फिर college में ऐसे ही चलता था, tang tang. I used to walk, and all the people from her town and all used to go tang 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 tang. So that walk and that music is from that day.
चलो
Most
हमको
memorable.
असलियत तो पता चल गई ना.
कि भाग रहा था मैं.
Any other questions? This side.
शाहरुख, मैं भी जामिया से ही हूँ और आप जामिया से ड्रॉप आउट हैं. मैं पूछना चाहूँगा कि जामिया से ड्रॉप आउट होना आपका लाइफ का टर्निंग पॉइंट है क्या?
नहीं, एक्चुअली आई बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. अब वो प्रिंसिपल साहब रहे नहीं, हबीब साहब, लेकिन मुझे क्योंकि मैं इस वक्त टेलीविजन सीरियल फौजी शुरू कर चुका था, तो थोड़ी अटेंडेंस में तकलीफ थी, जो आज भी मेरी फिल्म की शूटिंग में रहता है कि मेरी अटेंडेंस में थोड़ी तकलीफ रहती है. और मैं अपना रिटन एग्जाम दे रहा था, मैंने प्रैक्टिकल्स कर लिए थे सेकेंड ईयर के, और ये बचपने की हिमाकत है, बदतमीजी और घटियापन था मेरा कि मैं लाइब्रेरी में पढ़ रहा था. मंडे को एग्जाम था और सैटरडे को मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा था, और किदवाई साहब आए और उन्होंने कहा, यू नो, इफ आई हैड इट इन माय हैंड्स आई वुड नॉट लेट यू टेक दिस एग्जाम. एंड बदतमीज में, I also not like to give this exam. and I walked off. Then my mom took me to his house, and I apologized to him because my mother had taken me like this. Sorry kaho unko. So I went and said sorry and all, and he said, no, I was just saying it. You don't have to get so egoistic about it. But by then Sunday हो गया था, मैं पढ़ाई भी नहीं की थी. So I told my mom कि नहीं, अब मैं जो है यहाँ पे पढ़ाने आऊँगा, पढ़ूंगा नहीं. And I think the turning point for my life was that I was taught by some of the most because I'd finished my course. I just didn't take the written exam. I'd done my practicals. I'd done strangely how we're connected, I did an audiovisual on Kolkata. So I had passed most of that. But I think because I didn't take my written exam and I had this stupid youthful nonsense in me, I really missed the last. I wish I had taken that course. I wish I had the degree of being masters. But whatever I know little of filmmaking technically, I think I started and learned it in mass communication Jamia. So I really miss it. And I would tell everyone, please do not leave your studies ever. Because if I had studied, believe you me, I would be such a big superstar.
Yes, sure. Okay, last question. And we'll go on to Bombay questions and go on.
Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, all hail to you.
Thank you.
All hail. Now, this is a little bit of a serious question. I know, like, you're promoting your movie, but I wanted to, you know, I'm just completely awestruck by his his driving force. I mean, with all due respect to them, he lost his parents at a very young age. He did not come from a filmy background, and just the drive in him. I mean, he's achieved so much. He's not 6 feet tall. He might. You know, but he's achieved so much. He's the best actor right now. He's at the top of the industry. I want to know about your driving force. And yeah, if I could meet Priyanka Chopra, that would be awesome.
Okay, so you want to know about the driving force or meet Priyanka first?
All that before was just basically to get to the point.
Get to her, okay. Yeah. Using me. Now, I'll be very honest. Actually, it's very strange that you should talk about my parents. I'm extremely sad today before I came to the studio. My childhood has spent here. If I talk a little more, I'll start crying, so I won't. I've trying to hold back my tears today. I drove in here and I used to spend a lot of time down here at Archana Cinema. 65 paise ka ticket hota tha in the front seat, and I would see it. And I've come here a lot of times with my mom, my dad, and I've spent my childhood in, and I'm feeling a little emotional about it. I think... I'm
sorry.
No, that's okay. I would have felt emotional even if you didn't say it. I just feel that because they died, and I needed to fill in the gaps that I have in my life, which I also find even now. This is not a good show for me to feel like this here. 1 second. So I think I work so much, and I do so much, so that I'm able to fill up those gaps. And in a certain sense, when people say if you work a lot and if you work very hard, everything seems easy. So everything has come easy to me because I work so hard. But I don't wish this upon anyone. I would not like anyone to have this kind of loss, to work so hard so that you become successful. And I also believe that maybe Allah Mia took away my parents so that I could see this. And I always think that I'll make such big films that wherever they are, they're able to see it. So 70 mm is small for me. 3D is not good enough. I'm going to make them bigger, larger than Ravan. One fine evening, my dad and mom on some star are sitting. I say, my mother used to call her Kanha, which means dimples. And he said, "Arey Kanha, dekho wo, ye hamara ladka nahi hai." He said, "Haan, lag to raha hai, thoda patla ho gaya hai." Nahi? So I would like that to happen. So I get up in the morning, and all I want to do is work, work, work. And I love what I do, so it doesn't seem like work. and I get to meet some wonderful people like my producer here, wonderful actors like Priyanka, wonderful directors like Farhan, and so many friends I've made. Those 100 days when I make that film is the most fulfilling thing of my life. So I'm blessed like that. And now you can meet Priyanka. And I get a chance and allow you to come on stage and say hello to Priyanka. Because Don jo bhi chahta hai wo ho jata hai. Don se pucha. And you have to kiss my ring finger also.
Thank you.
Because Don Corleone aise karata hai.
But you know what? You've got thousands of children in this world now, and I'm sure there are thousands of parents who consider you their son, and you should be very proud of that. Yeah. Thank you so much. You know, I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
We're just going to go across some questions from other bureaus as well, from other cities. Let's just go across to Bombay, where we have some questions.
Hi, my question is from SRK is that if we anticipate a Don 3, who you think can play a Don character that suits in your mind?
My question is for Priyanka. Ma'am, it's a great pleasure talking to you. I wanted a favor from you that you sang the song Tinka Tinka in the movie Karam. So can you just please sing it again?
Priyanka?
I actually didn't sing Tinka Tinka.
But you're launching a music career now, so you can sing us something.
No, but I wanted to get to the point. Everybody thinks that I sang Tinka Tinka, but it's actually Alicia Chenoy who sang it. And her voice is quite like mine, similar in the raspiness of it or whatever. So,
Mujhse bhi milti hai.
So isliye I think most people sing it. And I would have honestly sung. Yes, I am trying to launch a singing career. But today I'm, as you can see, sounding like a toad. Because
So please do hum a line from Don, the male version partner. You know,
because my voice is sounding like yours.
Like a toad's, yeah.
Right.
Come on.
Live show pe bol rahi hai, to bach jayegi. Sing Main Hoon Don.
No, you can sing, you can dance, you can say a dialogue, whatever.
The dialogues of the dancing will happen a little bit later. I'm very, very sure about that.
So some singing we can get.
Which part to sing?
Don ka kaun sa hai? Can you guys tell me Don song? I'm very bad. I'm not a singer. Dushman mera to aapka ho jayega.
Lyrics ही नहीं पता है गानों के, because they're all like background songs.
Your stars don't know the song. Now suddenly lyrics happen. It's like, sing of Don one. Sing of the Don, the other one.
Sing the beginning part, no? Mujhe pehchan lo.
I'll sing the beginning of Aaj Ki Raat.
Come on, Aaj Ki Raat.
It's because it's easier to sing it.
Okay.
शाम है, जाम है और है नशा. तन भी है, मन भी है, पिघला हुआ. छाई है रंगीनियाँ, फिर भी है बेताबियाँ. क्यों धड़कता है दिल, क्यों ये कहता है दिल, दीवानों को अब तक नहीं है ये पता. I'm really sorry.
No, let me tell you, बहुत ही सुरीला टोट था.
Thank you. And some quick questions now from, well, your home state, Uttar Pradesh. Let's go across to Lucknow.
Version.
Yeah.
Now my question to you is, if you were the hairstylist of our Honorable Chief Minister Mayawati, then what makeover would you give her?
Hi Shah Rukh and Priyanka. Priyanka, I'm a huge fan of yours And can you please sing Kolaveri D for us? And as I know that you're a great vocalist, and can Shah Rukh dance to it?
I want to ask you the makeover for Mayawati because that was
that for me?
Yeah, obviously all the questions are for you, all the love is for me.
So this is a very controversial question. Makeover for Mayawati ji.
I think मेरा hair style ही बदल दे दे उनको.
I don't think Mayawati ji को makeover दिया जा सकता है. मेरे हिसाब से I think she's fine the way she is, and we'll move on to the next question.
The next one was to you to sing Kolaveri D and Shah Rukh to dance to it.
Lyrics क्या हैं?
See, I can dance to the Dawn song. क्योंकि मेरे को ना वो कोलावरी का तो डांस वैसे Why this कौन धनुष है ना अपना धनुष I'm doing you now. Why this in singing. Why this कोलावरी कोलावरी कोलावरी. Soup boy, bad boy, soup song. But all the best to Aishwarya and Dhanush for the film. I think it'll be a fantastic film, inshallah.
Let's just go. I've had Lucknow, I've had Bombay, I've had Delhi, but we've got some other, well, spitting images of you to ask you some questions. So I'd love to have NDTV double take to ask you some questions.
Hey,
Wow.
Shah Rukh, my name is Khan. नाम तो सुना होगा? Hey Shah Rukh, I have a question for you. Am I not the coolest actor you've ever met?
Absolutely.
Am I not the coolest actor you've ever met? जवाब दो मुझे.
तुम दुनिया के सबसे cool actor हो. इतने cool हो मुझसे भी ज़्यादा cool हो.
Hottest star also.
Now, if you insist, yeah.
And the Badshah of Bollywood.
क्या बात कर रहे हो यार? Okay.
Hey, PC, come. Let's talk to Shah Rukh. Yeah? Upara, upara. I love Jungly Billy.
Don't be rude about our puppets.
ये आवाज क्यों कर रही हो तुम?
क्योंकि मैं जंगली बिल्ली हूँ SRK.
Is that a joke?
था तो.
I don't like jokes.
I don't like you. Guys, cut. कुछ होता है डायलॉग.
Oh, don't. डॉन का इंतजार तो 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस कर रही है, लेकिन एक बात समझ लो, डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है.
Hey PC, I have a question for you. अगर तुम जंगली बिल्ली हो, तो मैं क्या हूँ? PC?
Oh, for you.
प्रियंका.
अगर तुम जंगली बिल्ली हो, अगर मैं जंगली बिल्ली हूँ, तो तुम क्या हो?
या.
अभी तो मेरी आंखें नहीं हट रही हैं तुम्हारी लिप्स से.
शाहरुख की भी नहीं हटती हैं.
तुम मेरी जान मुझे बिल्ली नहीं लिपोटामस लग रही हो.
शाहरुख, excuse me, I've been Miss World.
मैंने बहुत मिस वर्ल्ड के साथ काम किया.
Yeah.
ऐश्वर्या, yeah, she's the best. Hey. Oh, okay, please. बिल्ली जैसी आवाजें मत करो. Anyways, Shah Rukh, it's time to celebrate, dude. Just imagine, with the two of us both here, you can do twice as much of promotion. What do you think about that? Yeah? Huh?
I do. I mean, whenever you want, you please come along with me and bring Lippy with you.
Are the puppets going to come and say hi? Do you want to photograph with Shah Rukh and Priyanka?
Of course, yeah.
Come on,
I definitely.
Let's go.
Come on.
Let's go.
जो न समझा कोई मैं वो ही राज हूँ, जो किसी का नहीं है वो अंदाज हूँ, मैं समंदर से गहरा, मैं कहीं कब हूँ ठहरा, मैं हूँ जैसे धुआं, ये धुआं कहीं है रुकता कहाँ, जरा दिल को थाम लो, थाम लो, कह भी दो है कौन, आ गया, लौट के, देखो कौन.
Okay, we're nearly at the end of the show, so if you like, we can stand with Shah Rukh and Priyanka and Ritesh. Quick question since we're at New Year's. What's your New Year's resolution? And before we end, Shah Rukh first, quick. Best movie and worst movie of 2011?
The best one's just about to come.
No,
23rd of
sorry,
December.
Dawn excluded.
बोला नहीं पहले.
अभी बोल रही हूँ.
Don't be like a politician, Sonia.
अभी बोल रही हूँ.
बार-बार change मत करो अपने words. Okay. मैंने कौन सी अच्छी फिल्म देखी? मैंने इस बार एक्चुअली ज़्यादा हिंदी फिल्में देखी नहीं. इस बार बहुत वक्त का मसज बोल रहा हूँ.
Dirty Picture, you're becoming Shah Rukh.
I haven't seen it, but I've heard it's really nice, and I'd like to. I haven't seen the film, but हाँ, जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
Ritesh, stop it.
नहीं, really, जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा. I think it was really nice. I think it was, and I think Zoya ने बहुत अच्छा direction किया. I didn't expect it to be so wonderful, entertaining plus meaningful. So I thought it was very nice. Yeah,
It got Entertainer of the Year as well. Worst Picture of the Year. Be frank, you're Dawn.
Like I said, मैंने कोई एक थी, I can't say it. I'll just tell you what my daughter said after seeing the film. मैं नाम नहीं लूँगा, बहुत बुरा लगता है, ऐसे परेशानी हो जाएगी. लोग वैसे मुझको ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं करते. लेकिन मैंने मेरी बेटी से पूछा, मैंने बैठकर देखी वो फिल्म और मैंने कहा कि कैसी लगी तुमको? Because I thought, you know, sometimes you see a film and you don't like it, but people like it. So she said something very sweet. She said, it was like life, just kept on going, nothing nice happened. So I thought that was very deep. फिल्म इतनी डीप बिल्कुल नहीं थी, बहुत ही गंदी पिक्चर थी. But I wouldn't like to take the name, then it kind of creates trouble for me. And नहीं यार. No, that might actually I'm not supposed to say anything about. I'm supposed to keep my mouth shut about these things. Yeah, okay.
You're Dawn. Who are you scared of? You're Dawn.
बर्लिन में चलती है मेरी, हाँ मैं नहीं करता. और ऐनक नहीं पहना ना, ऐनक पहन लो ना, उसके बाद मुझसे कुछ भी पूछ लो.
Okay, was it Bodyguard?
No. I don't know if my kids saw that. I don't know. No. It was some other film. Let's do 20 questions. Come on, ask me all. So I'll find out which of the films you thought were worst. Sonia, you thought that film was bad? Oh my God! Oh my God, Sonia, you're an anchor. You cannot have an opinion like this. It's really sad.
I would ask about a certain superhero film. Did it turn out the way you wanted? Were you bugged when people started tweeting about it or making the point that, you know, Bodyguard Rawa needed a bodyguard?
No, not that joke. Just the fact that there were people who were taking it very personally on me, and I didn't like it. I was very pissed off, and I dislike everyone, and I wish them the worst of futures possible. This is my personal feeling, and I felt very sad because I made it with a lot of love, and there was a lot of negativity. Some of the critics were very personal about my midlife crisis. Why am I doing this? I'm trying to prove a point. I just want to tell them, go to hell. I will do stuff which I want to, and I will do it all my life because I've done it for 20 years and I deserve it. And if you guys have a problem, come talk to me face to face. Don't write behind these little nonsensical things. And don't write on the net, don't write on the Twitter, don't write in some books and some magazines. Come and talk to me. Come here, मुझसे बात करो. क्योंकि डॉन के दुश्मन की सबसे बड़ी गलती ये है कि वो डॉन का दुश्मन है.
Priyanka, best and worst movie.
No, that's not fair. I thought we were going to stick to him.
Yeah. Why?
Because he answers for us. He's the leader of the team.
Oh, okay.
So it works. He answered.
You loved Rawan, right?
Yes, I did actually.
Okay, good.
I actually did. When I saw the film, I told him that.
Oh, in my opinion, I didn't include my own just to be humble like I am. That's why I said Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. I mean, yeah, so one or two, number 1 and 2, yeah. Okay.
Okay, super. New Year's resolutions, Shah Rukh, Priyanka.
Ask them
Oh,
first.
you told us your New Year's resolution.
No, you first answer yours, please.
No, can I
Don't
tell
speak
them
for me.
yours?
I am the leader.
No, I'll start.
Nobody can speak for me. पहले तो बोल. अपना resolution बताओ. मेरा मत बताओ यार तुम लोग. नहीं यार.
That we have decided that we're going to start 2012 to make sure Shah Rukh doesn't smoke. That is our resolution.
No, but are you going to do that, Shah Rukh?
That was his resolution.
Yeah, but we are going to ensure that happens.
That
So
will
our
happen.
resolution is to make sure his resolution is in place.
Is that your resolution? You're going to stop smoking?
It's not just for New Year. I want to start like today. And I want to tell people, because even in Dawn 2, I do this, and I think it's a very bad thing to do, and you should not do it. And it's my heart's genuine desire that I give up smoking, not only for my kids and everyone around me and my co-actors and producers and friends, but for myself. And I should give it up. So I'll give it my best shot. And because actors normally don't lie. So, no, but I'll give it my best shot. It's not, yeah. Okay.
You guys have been super guests. Thanks so much. But we can't end today without some song and... So can we get some music?
जो न समझा कोई मैं वो ही राज हूँ जो किसी का नहीं है वो अंदाज हूँ अजब सा नशा छा रहा है मेरे दिल को बहका रहा है बहका बहका हुआ आया मुझको पहचान लो You let your be my chumma chalo